James Smalls here, Secret Garden Family Farm LLC. Yo, let's talk about this new moon. How are y'all feeling tonight? You know, I'm new to YouTube, but I make like all kind of content. But tonight is about the new moon and how anybody who can see my videos feel about the moon. I want you to leave a message in the comments. Can you see the moon right now? Cause like, yeah, I'm doing a faceless video, just looking at the moon. You can hear my voice. I don't know if you ever looked at my other videos, but like, yo, the new moon, it brings out all kinds of different emotions. And do y'all know what emotions are? And like while I'm sitting here, you're gonna see how everything just changes. I'm just holding it in one spot, showing you like what goes on in the secret garden. You just gotta be here and like the way how everything looks changes. And the way how you see it is never really that either. So if you just keep looking, and I'm just holding my phone, like I tell y'all, I'm new to YouTube. I'm just like, yeah, I'm a farmer, I'm an entrepreneur, I'm a life coach. I tell people what I know because, for one, I'm 43 years old and I lived past my worst situations. So I'm ready to face anything that's coming towards me, and anything that comes towards me, the same way I'm showing you these stars and these in this moon and just holding it in one place, I know that there's no weapon that should ever, 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 ever form against me that will prosper. It's like I could work my whole life, 40 hours a week, never having no time for nothing else. However, the thing is, that job that you go to every day, if you leave in the comments, can you see the moon right now? Can you see how the clouds pass by? Like, my farm is faceless. My farm is whatever I am to YouTube right now that you can hear my voice. And it's like, you just gotta do it. And then once you do it, you realize you're not doing anything anymore. You are everything that's looking right back at you. See, the thing is, there's nobody, there's nothing else besides you. The secret garden, like all of the animals, that if I ever, 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 ever show y'all any animals, they are like my multiple personalities. I can see how I am them and they are me by just looking at the moon. because for them to even be here was just something that I thought about years ago. And I want to know what YouTube is thinking about. That's why, I'm new to this, but I'm true to this. I'm from Charleston, South Carolina. I'm a farmer because I farm, but my farming techniques goes deeper than that because I see growth. And if you ain't growing around me, you dying around me. The absence of life is death. So therefore, yeah, I accept death. I think about it all the time. And that's healthy for me because it's just like a quarter. You got heads and tails. Every time on the other side of this video is death, you know? However, I say to myself, Jay, you're a new content creator. You got everything it takes to just be you. You don't gotta ask for nothing. You don't gotta talk for nothing. Man, just put it out there. Like right now, it's the new moon. The first new moon of 2025. Leave in the comments how you feel right now. It's like I'm new to YouTube and I know people see it. Tell me something. Leave a message. Connect with me because I'm connecting with you. And like one thing that I learned as in my growth, I learned how to read tarot cards. And with learning how to read tarot, it would say, have you seen a moon recently? And people could say, or have you seen a frog? Have you seen an owl? Have you seen any kind of bird of this sort of shape or form? And you'd be like, no. And then it'd be like, well, if you haven't seen it, you see it now. So now is your time. So what I'm telling y'all is Secret Garden Style, James Smalls, Walterboro, South Carolina. Look, I'm right behind my house. I'm faceless. However, my face is the moon. My face is the sun. When you look at my videos, my face is stars. And my face could be whatever you see it. However, what do y'all want to do? What yeah, I farm. However, I'm just like, do you want to look at the moon? What does the moon tell you? Like, when you look at my video, if you was to watch this whole thing, what do you see? Do you see anything higher than yourself? Not just looking up. Like, I guarantee you, if you look at my video and you close your eyes just looking at that one moon, whether you're in a big city, a small town, and just can't go outside or whatever, if you close your eyes, breathe in 3 times. Matter of fact, that's what I'm going to do right now while I'm with y'all. Follow me. Close your eyes. My eyes is closed. You probably can hear the change in my voice. We breathe in through our nose and we breathe out through our mouth. Let's do that 3 times. It feels so good. Like, to get back to it, I asked you to do that because when you close your eyes, if you aren't looking at the moon like I am right now in a fixed position, if you looked at this video up until this point, for one, leave a comment. Say, Secret Garden, thank you for just showing me the moon for 20 minutes, yo. Or even maybe 15. You know what? Just say, yo, stop talking. Let me close my eyes and breathe in through my nose like how you just said. Because that's what it all boils down to is what you see with your eyes closed is what you really see. Yeah, I asked you to close your eyes to see the moon. The moon is there whether your eyes is open or closed. However, looking at it like right here, Secret Garden style, I'm in my truck right here in my yard. As a matter of fact, I'm going to just go back like I was and just zoom in. Breathe in, y'all. Take in some breaths. Realize you are everything. There's nothing or anything that could ever stop you. Learn from the Secret Garden or learn from your own inner voice. You are unstoppable and you're on top. And you got it back. Whatever you think that you lost, yo, tell it to get out of your way. Put it back where it belongs, yo. Like, you ain't playing around no more. It's new moon. It's 2025. You know, James Smalls, Secret Garden says, give me back my money. Give me back my kids. Give me back my life. Give me back my happiness. Give me back my joy. You know, how many people listening to this message or this video gave something away that is yours? And you know it's yours. You ain't gotta, like how you looking at the moon with me, new moon ritual, Secret Garden style. Say, give it back to me right now. Multiplied, overflowing, like you did what you did, yeah. However, I have boundaries. Okay, leave in the comments how many people got boundaries out there. Look at the moon. Like, if you watching this video, look at the moon, and it's like you ain't looking at me talking to you. I don't know, like, what do you feel? Close your eyes. Talk to yourself. Be who you are. Okay, so anybody who watching my video, be honest with the moon. Are you real with yourself enough to even be here this long on this video? To just sit in one place in a secret garden? You know, I'm making this video because I wanted to be on YouTube for so long. I did so long until I just watched it. I don't watch the news. I haven't watched the news in like 5 years. I got to the point where I haven't even watched the weather in like 2 years. You know, I realized like yesterday is gone like the wind. When I wake up, I am the wind. I'm the stillness. I'm the sun. I'm the ground. Everything that I see. There's nothing. How many people out there know that there's nothing else besides them and what they see and feel? It's like everything is about perception. If you perceive something one way, the universe is gonna give it to you that way every time. Yo, when it all boils down to it, I'm making this like one moon secret garden ritual just for like people who want to manifest what they want. Even if it's just to have like, okay, I remember giving 1 minute a day to somebody, just holding the hand, setting my timer, and like, even to give somebody 1 minute out of 24 hours a day isn't what this moon does. This moon doesn't think about time. The moon is. And it's like people identify with all of these different personalities and different personas and masks. Like I say, yo, that's what we was taught. However, who teaches you about what is? Just like how I'm just showing you in one spot, the moon is right there. The new moon. And then, but like, to my people who actually indulge in celestial activities, how many times, leave in the comments, leave me a message, how many times do y'all actually see the sun and the moon out at the same time? Because standing right here, or like, I'm just right behind my house. I'm not even back there where, if you follow me and see what's going on, I ain't even all the way back there where the pigs is at. Like, where I'm sitting at is, like I say in other videos, where what I can see, no one can see. And so it's just like even today, like just a little while ago, I took a dude to go get some stuff that he needed to get. And yo, on the way, we both saw the same shooting star. So leave in the comments another thing. Like I said, I'm just connecting with everybody because I don't know who watch my videos. I don't know who's steady, but this is Faceless. Yeah, I cannot talk. However, look, my phone in the same place, and look now, that's how our thoughts are. Now you can't even see them. When you just get your mind so full of something. We just saw the moon there for like, I don't know how long I was talking, but guess what? We saw the moon there. We saw the moon there. And now, look at that. We got a circle around that. What colors do y'all see that as? Tell me what colors do y'all see right now. And tell me if you see a moon. I see like an eyeball. It looks like Jay. You are clear or point. And if anybody's listening to you right now, they can see what they are not outside. And you have the one chance. And that's what I'm going to make another video about, y'all. The present moment. Have y'all ever saw that you live in the past, present, and future right now? And it's called the present because it's a gift to you enjoy right now? Yo, this the Secret Garden, yo. Like, Faceless with a voice. Yeah, I'm talking. However, I'm showing you what you don't see if you ain't. Like, I'm the only one here. I ain't the only one here. I'm surrounded by millions and everything. Because look, besides looking at the moon, this looks like a picture